Abbie, and I am okay. So today, I'm going to share yung second haul ko, shopping haul ko from Shopee. Okay. Um, Again, this is mostly for home improvement, or rather for us again, room improvement. So let's start. Okay. This is a wall sticker na leaves. Okay. So you can see, fake sticker lang siya. But then, kasi this part, yan, hindi na maabot. So, kulang yung binili namin. So, I need to order one more. Yan, para pandagdag. Kasi, um, ayaw na namin mag-paint ulit. Ang daming tatanggalin, ang daming aayusin pa. So, we decided to just put something on the wall. Sticker. Next one. Okay, the next one naman is this one. Wood paint siya. So, I got two types ng ano niya, ng color. One is red sandalwood and the other one is black cherry. I'm not sure kasi which one will match our wooden parquet. So, I got these two. And then, ito nga yung natapon siya beeswax. Beeswax naman is pang mga nagpe-fade kasi we have dogs and sometimes nagpipi sila sa wooden parquet. This one daw, parang ipapahid mo lang siya para mabuhay ulit yung color ng floor. This one naman, yan. Obviously, panghang na mga gamit. Okay. If you watch my first post, my first Shopee haul, you'll see that I ordered this stuff. Yan. I ordered this is tile grout. Pampaputi ng tile grout. Okay. Medyo malaki yung CR namin and I thought yung floor lang na tiles ang lalagyan ko. Pero sobrang bored. Pati yung wall nalagyan ko. Pero kulang pa. One bottle is not enough for our room. So kulang ko pa yung part ng floor and the whole shower area na wall plus floor. So I got two more. And I can vouch for this one. Okay siya. As in, easy to use and madali siyang gamitin eh. So, I got two more. So, just in case, baka kulangan na naman ako if I get one lang. This is from Shopee and this is, I highly recommend this one and even the seller is okay din, mabilis. Next one. Oh, this is small pala. Okay. I got ng mga, this is big. Plastic bag. This is 100 pieces na plastic bag. Ang cute lang. Ang cute ng design. Diba? And this one, this is, sabi small. Cute din. This one is so cute. Pero yung back niya is ganyan. Di ko lang na-expect na gano'n siya kalikot. But it's really cute. Purpose ko naman dito kasi, as I mentioned, nag-garage sale ako yung mga old stuff. So, sometimes, pinipick up dito ng mga buyer. So, at least meron akong lalagyan. Another one. Okay. This one, dun sa first haul ko, first ko na ganito, nagkamali ako. Hindi ko alam na I ordered na pala, and I ordered more. So, kaya medyo nagulat ako with my first post. It's the first box that I opened. And turns out, puro ganito laman. So, I ordered na double ako. This one is for the partition nga. Yung parang papatong mo siya. And the other one that I got is the fixator. Yung pag didikit mo, like, this one is by the wall and this one is doon sa item. Para naka-stick na lang siya like this. So if meron kang kailangan na nakasabit na lang siya. So yun, nadoble ko ng order for this. Deads tayo dyan. Ang dami. Okay, and this one is, let me see ha. Sorry, ang aso ko maingay. This one is I think sponge holder. Yeah, it's a sponge holder for the CR then. Yeah, I guess it's a sponge holder. Yeah. Maganda siya. No? So, sponge or whatever na mga pang CR. Patungan. Ano. Ang dami ko nito. Nadoble ko ng order. Tapos nakita ng asawa ko, sabi niya, this is not effective daw. So, we'll see. Bahala na. Another thing. Okay. This naman is para mga balls for washing machine. Can't remember kung ano yung sinabi nila. Basta itatapon mo to, idadump mo to sa washing machine. Together with yun sa first haul ko, meron parang flower with net style na ang sabi, kakatch daw nun yung mga lint at saka what else? Mga balahibo. Unfortunately, nagamit na namin siya nagamit na. Once pa lang naman, nagamit na. And siguro, bilang mo kung ilan lang yung nakuhang balahibo. And then this one, so we'll see. Baka kailangan sabay gagamitin, no? Para maging effective. This one is yung nanotape. So, effective din sa akin to. Kesa gumamit ng regular na double-sided tape na mas mahirap tanggalin or yung mga foam na double-sided. This one is very easy to use. Ito brush. Actually, pang baking yata to or something. Pero kasi kailangan ko siya pampunas-punas ng alikabok sa table. Ganon. Ito na yung best na nakita ko. At least maliit lang. Madali itago. So, ayan. This one. Okay. Blanket holder. Parang case. Blanket case. So, dito storage actually. Dito mo store yung mga blankets mo or any other stuff na hindi mo pa kailangan and wala ka ng space. Ito, dito sa ganito. This is okay din for me. Very useful. This is my second purchase na. Sadly, the first one, nahila ng son ko yung zipper. The zipper kasi is well, this one is better zipper pa nga eh. The first one is plastic talaga. So, paghila ng son ko, nasira na siya. But, this is okay kasi like, we have extra mga comforter, yung mga ganon. Habang hindi ginagamit and hindi na kasya doon sa cabinet ng mga panglinen, okay to. Pinatutok ako talaga. Basta pagka nakita ko, nakita ko, ay okay siya for the CR, ganon. And it's, mostly naman, it's pretty cheap ha. So, okay lang. Oh no, umorder ako ng isa pa. From my first haul, umorder ako na hindi ko alam kung anong gamit. Turns out yun nga, pwedeng ganyan, pwedeng tissue holder. Dalawa lang. So, nadoble na naman ako nito. This one is naka-dead tayo talaga. This one is a map holder. Ayan, map holder. Pero feeling ko hindi ko na siya kailangan kasi tinanggal ko na yung map dito sa room. Naka-Dirma na ako. Dirma DX700. So, ito is baka wala na rin silbi sa akin. Kasi I think hindi kakasya yung handle dito ng Dirma. This one is soap holder. This one is actually, I have no idea what's this. I really have no idea ano to. Titignan ko mamaya doon sa Shopee ko kung ano to. Pero, I don't know. Promise. Hindi ko maalala kung ano siya. Para siyang towel holder. Ganon. We'll see. Handle eh. Parang handle siya. So, we'll see. And this one is, okay, we'll see. Huh? Ang dami ko nabibili, pero karamihan ngayon. Sobra akong bored talaga na imagine morning till late afternoon. Tinapos ko yung grout ng CR namin. Come gabi, talagang patulog na. Sakit na ng likod ko. So, okay. Maghapon naka-ano ko sa banyo, diba? Mason ang dating ko. Brush ulit. Pangalawang toilet brush ko na yan. Okay. So, if nakita nyo, yung toilet brush na na-purchase ko from my first, nako, ibang kulay na naman siya. Minsan talaga yan ang nagiging problem natin with Shopee. Hindi nasusunod, even though you click white, hindi nasusunod yung color na gusto mo. Sadly, hindi nasusunod. So, definitely, white ang kinuha ko. I won't order or I won't purchase anything na hindi color coordinated eh, sa theme ng banyo ko. So, ito, ang lumabas naman eh, blue. This one is remote control storage box. Okay. Kasi kami, hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero dalawa ang remote ng TV. And then, remote ng aircon. Tapos, nasa side table lang ng husband ko. Plus, yung mga charger, lampshade, ang daming gamit, ang kalat-kalat. So, again, ako, iba na naman po ang kulay. I think I ordered either gray or white of this. Sadly, ang dumating na kulay, iba na naman. So, mukhang mababalutan ko siya ng sticker. Yan. So, ito, binili ko siya para yung, kasi meron naman kaming holder for the remote, pero hindi kasya lahat. So, I need to buy one para panlagay ng extra remote, para hindi nakakalat sa table. This one naman, I don't know how to use this. Oh my gosh. Ganon. Oh my gosh. Sorry, hindi ko siya alam kung hindi ko alam kung paano siya gamitin. This is supposed to be ayan. Ganyan siya. And then ano ba siya? Ganyan. Pag-aaralan ko siya. Pero this is parang supposed to be hair dryer holder. Kinuha ko siya hoping na may Xiaomi naman na steamer will fit. Pero looks like hindi rin kakasya dito yung steamer. Kasi ngayon, yung steamer namin, ang liit lang, yung Mi. As in, sobrang liit, pero very useful. Akala ko kakasya. Nakakalat lang kasi. So, gusto ko sana nakahook siya. Dito nakalagay. So, I'll figure this out kung paano ko rin. And then, this one is a blackboard sticker. Blackboard sticker. Okay. This one naman, I got this para, although si husband meron siyang sarili niyang board for his notes, ako meron akong sarili rin na corkboard for mga bills naka-post. But then, I think it's not enough for our stuff. Mga billings and whatever. So, I got this, parang, ayan na, blackboard, para ididikit ko na lang sa door. Para mas madali, mas manonotice yung kailangan. And lastly is the biggest one. Ayan. Alam ko to. Sobrang excited ako for this. Even though, honestly, gustong-gusto kong pumunta ng mall to buy some stuff. I want to buy a new timba. I want to buy a new tabo. Tsaka laundry stool. Sadly, hindi ako makalabas. Takot ako. Takot kami lumabas until now. So, everything is ordered online. So, when I check SM or any other online na mga, even Lazada, for me to purchase all those stuff, kahit sa SM or Lazada lang, no? The shipping fee will cost me around 275 pesos. So, diba, sayang naman. Ang laki ng gagastusin ko for that. So, tsaka na lang siguro. I'll settle with our old, with our old, tabo and balde. Okay, nito kila. Okay. This one is, mat. Maganda po, soft. Shala. Maganda siya. So, we'll see. Gagamitin ko to. Pang CR. Again. So, okay. It's cute. It's very soft. Diba? My concern lang, hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya lilinisan after, no? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. So, let me share with you. This is a footstool. Pan-toilet. This is not for me. Actually, my daughter kasi was 22 years old. Maliit. As in, maliit siya. Pag magpipi siya, hindi niya abot yung floor. So, nakatiptoe siya lagi. Naaawa naman ako. So, binilang ko nito. This is for my daughter. Okay. That's so cute. Matatawa yon. Hindi niya alam na binilang ko siya eh. Para sa mga basher ko. Para sa inyo to, ha? Marami ko nun. So, huwag kayong ma-surprise. Ewan ko sa kanila bakit sila init sa akin. Definitely, hindi naman sila naiinggit. This one, nabasa ko naman, it's baby wipes. Not for me to eh, for the dogs, pampunas ng face nila. It's pretty cheap. I think 30-40 pesos lang. And it's, what? I think this is 80 pulse eh. Yeah, it's 80. So, this is pretty cheap. Pampunas lang ng face ng dogs. There. Yeah, that's it. That's my naipon na shopping haul. I hope meron kayong nakita something interesting. If you need the link, I can share it with you. But for now, please like my channel and subscribe. Okay? Thank you.